Digigraph.
To create more realistic and appealing animations, you need to follow the 12 principles of animation. Principles of animation were introduced by Disney animators Ollie Johnston and Frank Thomas in their book, The Illusion of Life, Disney Animation, in 1981. These principles serve as guidelines for creating more realistic and engaging animations. In this video, we discuss about 12 principles of animation. Here are the 12 principles of animation. Squash and stretch, SNS for short, is the animation principle of applying a contrasting change of shape to give a sense of flexibility and life in animation. Otherwise, the absence of squash and stretch could cause rigidity or stiffness to the motion. The transition from a proper squash pose to a stretch pose, or vice versa, breaks the perfect solidity that CG animation often gives to everything. For example, anticipation in animation prepares the audience for what will happen next. It involves a small movement or action that precedes a larger one. Asterisk, for instance, before a character jumps, they will often squat momentarily. This squatting motion is an example of anticipation in animation, as it signals to the audience that a jump is coming up. For example, this is the presentation of an idea so that it is unmistakably clear. It involves the placement of characters and objects in a scene, guiding the audience's attention to the most important elements. For example, these are two different approaches to creating animation. Straight-ahead action involves drawing each frame in sequence from start to finish. Pose to pose involves drawing the key frames first and then filling in the in-between frames. For example,
thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.